On today's video, we're going to be fixing this door on this Chevy Silverado. Now, it's supplies for a lot of stuff, S10s and so on, but the door bushings are bad. Whoops. Take a look. Matt, can you pick up and down on the door? Yep. Just show them how bad.
It's got a little play.
Just when flings open and it don't close like it should.
It's hitting the roof.
Yeah, but we're going to take the door off today and we're going to weld the holes and we drill it and you get to enjoy it. So the first thing you want to do is pretty much unplug this right here, and it should be plugged in behind this kick panel. Should be. I'm not 100%, but this door seal plate will need removed, and you got a bolt here, here, and one under this. This pops up or unbolts too, and you can just move it out of the way to get to that bolt. But there should be one underneath this. I don't see it. Should be. So I'm going to figure this out. So trying to figure out where these plug in. If it's crank windows, be a whole lot easier, but we just took the screws out in two places, lift this up and pop this panel off. It just held on with some clips. It just pops out kind of like that. It pulls out. It's double pane, Matt. And I think we might have to take the door off.
Well, we're trying to take the door off.
I mean door panel. So if you got factory pins or aftermarket pins, sometimes they got these retainers right here. Those just pop off. You can just remove those. The bottom one. Oh, it don't have one. But before you knock these out, you will need a helper or a jack under here to balance it. But Harbor Freight's got an attachment for jacks that actually holds the door. Very helpful if you can afford it. I recommend pick one of them up. You might use it once in a lifetime, but it's worth it. And you can take it back. It's Harbor Freight. They got that replacement thing. Use it, change your door, and take it back. And then they will sell it to someone else in a pallet. Yeah. We ain't got one of them door jacky thingies.
Try to get you back one.
But we got a helper. We got Matt. Huh? Oh. It helps too roll your window down when doing this. It gives you somewhere to grab. And be mindful of stuff like this because this will break. He's actually pretty fragile. You want to pour it up any, Matt, or is it good here? Tell me now.
This is good enough.
Good enough?
Got plenty enough cord to get here.
Okay. You want to do the honors?
Want to push the button?
Yeah. That's a hell of a window motor.
Hell of a window motor too.
Okay. Something's popping. Oh, it's window, ain't it? Get a hush.
Yeah.
I think. I don't know. But take a look at this. This is a nice Chevrolet. You know, it's got the 350 in it. Pretty sure it's 350 in it, Matt.
It says on the hood.
It says on the hood. I know it's a small block. Standard shift. It's got a little bit of rust from what I can see, but
Bed's rust free.
yeah, bed is rust free.
Yeah. Probably because it's fiberglass.
Yeah. Beautiful little truck though. It's been restored once. Somebody painted it.
Yeah.
Must have used Omni on it because this is mostly what you see Omni do. Is peel.
It's like the bed comes from, no, probably the same truck. It's got a thing on it.
Ooh. There's a little bit of patch right there. Standard shift though.
Increases the cool factor there.
It does. Okay, man. I guess you pick up on it. I beat and bang.
I guess.
Okay.
See if we can drop this on the toe.
It's gonna fall right out, you know.
Yeah.
And one door didn't fall off. it wasn't for the bottom one, probably would have. Hey, Matt.
Yeah.
This pen's got M on it. Did you work on this? God, no. Can you wiggle? Got it. Pretty cool. Now give us some flack. Oh, okay. Just enough. There we go. So he's just unplugged. A little corrosion in there. Before we plug these back up, we will just take a brush and clean those up. Maybe dielectric grease them if we got any on hand. But I didn't know him unplugged like that. That's pretty simple.
Yeah.
Yep. See?
Hiding in the door, we couldn't even feel it.
Yep. Don't even need to take that loose. This is an experiment. Don't it? How bad is it? No, that one's good.
Man, I might just put bushings in this thing. Does it not have anything in the bottom?
I think.
This goes the other way. I thought it just broke off.
Oh, it won't need one now.
That looks good.
Yeah, that tight fit. I thought we were gonna be welding it. Got a little play, but once you get that thing in, it tightens them up. They don't have to be. They gotta be snug, but not too snug, because once you drive the pin in them, they actually spread out a little. Makes sense. I think this is a repair kit too. They oversized.
Maybe so.
Yeah. Now here it says door hinge repair kit. There could be an oversized bushing in this kit. Sometimes you can buy them with standard bushings and oversized bushings in the same kit. These we picked up from O'Reilly's and AutoZone because each store had one apiece.
Yeah.
Yep, small town for you, ain't it?
So, does it go like that on the top?
It should.
Won't go one way, won't go the other?
That's how most of them set up. That one a little bigger.
Well, I was looking at holes are a different size. How'd the
Pin, right now the pin's got a big.
Well, that's what I'm saying. How did it go though?
Oh, this
Did
one?
it go down or up?
It went down. This one was down. We can go look on the other
Like
truck.
this?
Yep. No, it went up on the.
So the big bushing. The
Look
big
up.
bushing's in the bottom.
Yep.
Yeah, that's right.
School bus. Big bushing in the bottom.
Small bushing in the top.
And what we mean by that is, so everybody sees, this pin's got a shank on it. So you want the bigger end, depending on which way it goes, this taps up. It never made sense to me why they would go up, you know?
I guess why not?
I would always thought they go in this way, but I guess, you know, unless somebody installed it wrong. Who knows? No, they go up. The difference is, Matt, those don't have a retainer. These do. These got clips that hold the pin in.
Mm-hmm. And that one didn't?
Nope, that one does. Does this one? What's clips?
Yeah.
I didn't see them in the box.
There's one there.
I took one off. The bottom didn't have one. I laid it in the clip.
It's right here.
Yeah, I guess we were using the clip.
Here it is.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. I know why. See, the reason this one goes to the top, it's got a spring supposed to go here, and that's lever, and if that sticks down past it, that lever can't work. Yep. So you want to be sure to put them back the same way. This feels good, Matt.
Yeah, I think that'd be good. We'll grease it up real nice when it goes back together.
Yep. We just have to check, see how tight it is in the door.
Yeah, we might be welding the door.
Yeah. Maybe.
You need a 2-bed right here. Got a little bit on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, that's actually part of the bushing. And the hinge.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. It was.
Is that what goes on it?
I guess so.
I don't think that's correct. Do you?
That's the way it was. How's it look on the other side?
That wouldn't make sense why the bushings don't fit the bottom. Oh, in the door. Okay, that's good. Good to know. Top hinge goes in, so the bushing goes through the door. Did you get the other bushing? Or did I lose that?
Got the pin. Won't you down with the bushings?
I have one right here. So the pin flop, how much flop is in that?
Not much.
Not much? No, ain't gonna be none. Bushing feels pretty tight, sir. I think somebody installed the bushings wrong. You know what? No, I'll hold that door. Okay. That is, one of them's a washer. One of them is a washer.
I think it's part of a bushing. See?
Maybe an older bushing? Oh, okay. Now you said we got weld at the top? Oh yeah, it goes to the bottom.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to weld a little. Look at that. Not much, y'all. I think a little round bead, not weld the hole completely up, just around it, and then
The expert here.
drill it. I think that'll be fine. Don't like much, just tighten that bushing up, you know, when it drives through, so that door won't give.
There ain't no bushing there.
Well, you know, the pin.
Yeah.
When you drive the pin through, we want it kind of snug, and this movement here will wear the bushing out. We know this side is good. Little to no play in here. Before you close the doors. Yeah, pin, so we can see what we got. I didn't even, there we go. Put that one all the way in. Now you want to also check, make sure these ain't bent. They shouldn't be bent, they pretty damn strong. And check the ones on the truck. You can measure from where that sets and then measure the ones on the truck. If they're all a little bent, you can always straighten them a little. So we got the MIG. It's right here, it's Eastwood MIG. It welds really good, don't it, Matt?
Yeah.
Ugh. Gonna have to give us a little bit of stitching cord track. Ooh, I about got killed on the engine stand. But I went surfboarding. Wasn't there an engine on that?
Yeah, that 5.3.
Oh. What's on there? 5.3 bored to a 5.7. Been decked. Pretty cool. should be a cool motor, shouldn't it, Matt?
Good.
Bouncy, 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 bouncy. Now our goal is not to weld the hole all the way up, just enough around the edge here on both sides. Just enough so we can get the drill bit in the center and drill us out, and that keeps us from having to measure and guesswork.
Yeah.
Matt's cleaning it up with a wet Scotch-Brite. So we're looking pretty good. We're letting these welds cool off a little bit. As you can see, I didn't weld the middle up, just the edges. That just takes up some of the slack. Ran out of room.
Out a bit.
Out a bit.
Swirl my knife, it's not long enough.
So we went ahead and ground this down. You can use one of them Harbor Freight little electric belt sanders, but we got it in with a little bench grinder. That's what we used on that tool one over there. A little belt sander would have been a whole lot faster, wouldn't it?
Yeah, and easier.
Yeah. So we're drilling this one out, and then we'll clean it up, and then everything should be in line. And that's a proper repair, ain't it?
Yep.
Besides switching the hinge. So we test fitted, and everything fits in there nice and tight. Remember, they're two different sizes, so you will need to use two different size drill bits. Okay, now we're just going to clean up a little bit with the bushing rods, smooth it out like we did here, and then we should be ready to check measurement on the inside here to the outside door. Make sure we ain't got no sagging issues, because the weight of the door might have bent it down just a tad. And then we'll try to test fit this. So we're closing the door to the shop so we don't let all the AC out. But we got these measured and adjusted. We did have to close the bottom one up. And this we had to close up on the door a little tighter over here. I guess what's been sagging over time, it just had all the measurements off. Be sure when you measure, you do include your bushing measurement. If not, you get it too tight. So it's gonna be fun, ain't it, Matt?
You got the pins?
Yeah, I got the pins. Okay, remember, this one goes through the bottom, this goes through the top. You got to put this through the bottom. Don't get like, ooh, I just drop it through the top, because then this will interfere with your door thing. So it's gotta go through the bottom. The door is installed. Now, don't forget to put your little keeper on the top. The bottom, it don't matter, but the top pin needs that little clip on it so it don't fall out. But check the door out. And you got a spring. This truck didn't have a spring, but that spring, you gotta have a special tool to remove that and install it. You will see once you get into it. But look at that, just. We lubed everything up. Everything's working good. The little truck is done. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Drop a like, leave a comment. Check out the eBay store in the description below. We have tons of content like this on this channel. Always check back something new on. And thanks again for watching.